Hello and welcome. My name is Leanne Lyon. I am the Chief Joy Officer of Joyminder Consulting and the owner of the Start Restart Your Business Summit. Today, I'm going to do something a little different. I often do reviews of tools and talk about tools and coaches that I use in my business that I can recommend for other people that are starting businesses, running businesses, need better options for their businesses. Today, I'm actually going to set up a new tool for myself. I'm going to set up a new calendar application that has come to my attention. It looks like a good solid solution. I'll be testing it out. But talking to people using it, they've had fantastic results with it. They said the setup is easy. So let's see. Let's go through it. So I will begin by sharing my screen. The tool is called none other than the Once Hub. As you can see in here, there is a referral code. This is coming from my business partner, Charles. He's been using this since January. He said it's been flawless. It's worked really well for him. So when I said I was about to set up another calendar, very commonly used, he said that this was simpler and free. So free with the ability to do multiple different sized programs. So if you want to do a 15-minute meeting, a 30-minute meeting, or a 1-hour meeting, you can have all that and still use the free version. Now looking over the pricing, I like free. It says solo, totally free for one user. Teams, it says $9 per user per month. So right there, I'm like, well, okay, do I have to have 3 or can I set it up for 1 for $9? I don't know the answer to that. I'm going to set up the free version today, just make sure that I get along with it, that I like it. But there are some attractive benefits in the team version, as they call it. And this is the number one for me, white label branding. White label branding means that I can put in my logo and I can put in things that make it more branded to my business, Joyminder Consulting, and lets people know exactly who they're communicating with. The team distribution and assignment features, not such a big deal for me at the moment, but you never know. APIs and webhooks, that can be useful. I'm not using those things at the moment either. Multi-user management, not necessary. So basically, the two reasons that I would probably use the $9 version, and I could do a free trial, is for the unlimited meeting history. So I can have backups of everything that I've done with it. The white label branding. And then I have to say, I really, really appreciate support. Not so crazy about email support, but 24/7 live chat support. I do like that. So as I scroll down through here, can I upgrade from a solo plan? Yes, you can upgrade to paid Teams plan anytime, but it doesn't really address whether or not the Teams minimum is 3, or it kind of seems like it. So what do you do if you have 2 people? Do you still have to pay for 3? So it's interesting that it says get started with 3 users for a flat fee of $15 per month. So is that really the minimum or is 9? Well, we'll find out someday. Anyway, I'm using the referral code from Charles, and I will put my own referral code below here because I will get one. And I appreciate if you'll use my referral code if you decide to give this a try yourself. So let's start now. It says jump on board, start your free solo plan now. That's easy enough. I'm going to go with my primary email address for my business. I'm going to set up my password, must be 6 characters, include lowercase and a number. So I will use my password, which meets all that criteria. And I appreciate that they check it twice because I have typed it wrong. And we're signing up. Verify your email address, enter the code from the email. So I'm going to check that on my phone. See that I got a email from them. And we're doing this live. So there we go. Got it already. And indeed, I got that code. which I assume is a one-time use code. And there you go. I'm in. Welcome. So welcome to Schedule Once, Smart Customer Scheduling on Autopilot. Before I started this video, I did do a little research. I went into the scheduling. I looked up videos. What kind of videos and support could I find, since I don't have the 24/7 chat or 24/7 email support with a free version? But what could I find? And I did find there's a lot of different videos out there. They're dated 2019, 2017, 2018, 2013, maybe. This might not be. It says it's related, but I don't see that it actually says schedule once on it, or once hub. So, but it does mean that it's been around for at least a couple of years. This is interesting that this is related. Strange answers to the psychopath test. Okay, then. Maybe this is not the right tool. Anyway, but I can see clearly it's been around for at least 2, if not 3 years. There we go. How to use Schedule Once for appointment booking, 2017 review. Well, here's the 2021 review as we set up. So going back, I am set up here. Set your availability. Let us know when you're typically available to accept meetings. I try to take the weekends off. Monday through Friday works fine. Available hours. Generally, we can say 9 to 5, although I have a lot of scheduling conflicts. So we'll see how that works out as we go. And actually, I'm generally happy to work until 6. So I'll be able to further customize my availability later on. Oh, there we go. Continue. Connect to the calendar. Okay, so Office 365 calendar. I do use that. So, but it does allow for other calendar types. So if you're using Google Calendar or iCloud Calendar, then those are other options. As comfortable as I generally am with check, this is the stuff that does tend to get me stepped up a little bit. So use your Exchange Outlook email and password for an app-specific password to connect via Exchange Web API. Use your Office 365 email and password or an app password to connect to the Exchange Web Services API. Connect to a secure OAuth 2.0 connection without revealing your username and password. Yeah, don't even know what that is. Okay. So here's where I'm like, let's see, let's go with this one. And I'm going to jump over to another browser window, just see if I can find a password without showing that on the video, if you don't mind. So going into I'm on Chrome using things. I'm looking for this password that I might have. Okay, well, let's see if I can figure it out. I'm going to try to connect here. So trying to figure it out. It says it's authenticating and testing and finding. So I don't exactly know which exact process it's in. And I don't think I want to cancel connection attempt at this point, but just waiting. And of course, my internet's been ridiculously slow today, so I hope that doesn't interfere too much with this. I was looking for my nerd glasses for this, got my hair up in the bun, get the nerd glasses on. I was experimenting. I could just do these. Remember this when you were little? Yay, I'm a whatever, superhero. And authentication failed. Awesome. Not awesome. So if I'm using with multi-factor authentication, enter your app password. So let's see. I use another program called LastPass. And I think I just put the wrong password in for that, but apparently not. Okay, so I can't remember if I have this in here or not. Okay, well, this isn't working here. Okay, so let's just try a different version. I tried this one. Let's try this one. Outlook email. I'm reading through this right here. Does not sound familiar. I'm looking into so I've now opened up my Outlook Exchange. So you know what? This is how we do it when we don't have our own tech support, right? I'm going into my account information in Microsoft Exchange. I am account settings. I have multiple accounts. I knew that. Looking to see if there is an EWS URL in there somehow. Account settings. Access this account on the web. The Outlook app. Automatic replies. Mailbox settings. Rules and alerts. Manage add-ons. So I just clicked on Office account, looking for, again, my settings. One thing about owning multiple businesses over years, sometimes you find an old business owns something. That's exciting. Not. Okay, so we can give that a try. We're going to try just an old account, old email here. Connect. Okay, that failed quickly. Let's go back here and try this other email. Of course, I might also be using an old, nope, authentication failed. All right, well, unfortunately, we're going to skip this. Say I'll do it later, get some help with that one. Connect video, and I will have to because it's really critical that I actually get connected to my calendar, or I'm assuming this won't work so well. So connect video conferencing, I do use Zoom. Let's see how quickly this happens. As it happens, I know this account very well. And I am not a robot. And I am signed in on Zoom. It says I cannot authorize the app. Yay. This app requires my pre-approval. So pre-approving is requesting access to your Zoom account. I'm going to authorize that. And there we go. Has Zoom connected. So my Zoom account is now connected to this calendar, which means that people will get links. Last step, you're all set to create a test booking. Let's make a test booking. Let's see how this goes. So I like at the top, it does have my name in here as a forward. So anybody getting this link, they're going to recognize at least that it's from me. I might prefer to change that to my business name at some point, but for now I'm going to leave that. Please, that might be part of the white labeling. Please follow the instructions to schedule time with me. It's fast and easy. Thank you. 15-minute meeting, 30-minute meeting, 60-minute meetings. So this is a test scheduling, I guess. So 15 minutes tomorrow at 9 a.m. Continue. This will be interesting. So it says 15 minutes, time from 9 to 9:15. My name, I think I'll go with me. And mobile number, there we go. And United States was defaulted. That's good for me. Okay to send me booking notifications via SMS. Yes, it is indeed. I like that. It gives me the option to say yes or no to SMS. I prefer text message notifications. A lot of people don't. So testing this program is my note. So done. Finalizing your booking. Your booking is confirmed. An email notification was sent to leanne@𝙎𝙬𝙪.com. So it's using that. Add the event to your calendar. So it's letting me add it to my calendar. Add to Outlook, add to Google, add to Apple, add to mobile. Wait, before you go, do you want people to schedule meetings with you? Oh, and here they even say it ends with @your name. Get started now. So they're advertising. That's fine. That would go away with the white labeling, perhaps, which I would prefer if I'm an affiliate marketer, because I'd like to share this myself with my link. Your booking details, 15-minute meeting, time, conferencing information. So there we go. Booking ID is down here. So what I don't see on here is exactly the link that I will eventually follow, but if I can add it to my Outlook calendar, it says click the downloaded file to add the event to your calendar. Now I can click that file. It popped up in a separate window. It looks like a typical Outlook type thing. And on here, well, here I'll share the window that popped up. So here you go. It says attendee, gives my name, event type, booking type, conferencing information, and a Zoom link. Now, of note, this is not a Zoom number that I typically have. This is a unique number just for this meeting. So what I'm not giving them is my general Zoom room. It's creating a unique code for this one meeting. It's even putting on a password with it. So there we go. And there is a cancel reschedule link on here, booking ID, the phone number of the customer, and the note from me testing this program is right here. So it's all on here. I'm going to click this because I want to see what happens. It opened up to Zoom. Oh, that's definitely not the link I meant to click, but here it is. This is the link for the meeting. And so what's interesting is that it gives a passcode here. Now I'll switch over to the other. It opened up in this window. Over here, open Zoom meetings. And now it's popping up and saying I'll have to leave the meeting I'm recording this on in order to start that meeting, which clearly I don't want to do. So I'm going to cancel on that. So although it indicates that there's a password set, I don't see a password in the URL. I'm not 100% sure. I do have my Zoom meetings to have a waiting room. So it may default that that person will just be in the waiting room and I let them in. And that's how I usually run my meetings anyway. So, all right, so we're going back to here. Booking is confirmed. All right, so that was my test. And here we go now. Activity, manage your bookings in the activity stream. This is the tour, so I'm not going to skip the tour. We may as well do this together. Hit next. Schedule once set up. Create and configure event types, booking pages, and master pages. So the setup is right here. And share and publish your booking pages. Send links, personalized links with customer data and more. And integrations, connect a calendar. Have to do that still. CRM, video conferencing, payments, Zapier, and more. Next. And finally, because the last dot, brand, customize, and design your booking pages, notifications, and booking forms. So here we go. So branding may be possible here. We'll check that out. Close. All right. Okay, now I'm resource notification, theme designer. I'm going to jump ahead because I'm just curious. So new theme, it gives a gray system theme, light theme, blue system theme, green system theme, but it doesn't seem to change anything. It's just giving, changing the background color here. It is clearly showing it off to the side and I was just missing that before. Or no, it actually is not really changing until I get to the dark. Does it show it down here? Interesting. Okay, so gray theme, blue theme, green theme, and dark theme. All right, so with my brand colors being blue and yellow, I'm just going to, oh, hey, look at that. Can I change the actual color to my actual button color information? Oh, if I can do my brand color, that would be really cool. Now, it probably is something I can do at the white label, even if I can't right now. Blue system theme, cancel, font. It's not letting me choose these things, which is probably where it falls into the team. System themes are not customizable. Create a custom theme to customize the parameter. Oh, so, but doesn't really say how to. System themes are not customizable. Oh, duplicate. Now I can change it. Button font color, white. Open sans, I like Roboto. Booking form fields. I like boxes. It's what I have on the rest of my website. So there we go. Choose image, header logo, choose image. Oop, do we get to do this actually? This would be cool. Going into logos, going into, grab my logo. Oh yeah. Awesome. Okay, I like this. Background color, brand, background image, I could choose different things, background image. I don't need a background image right now, but there is some customization here. I do like that. Ooh, so the background image could be back here. Thinking about that. Okay, maybe. And it can even hide background on mobile or on website embed. Okay then. Interaction pane, image shape, image border color. So it's going with the gray theme right now, according to this. Many important design properties can be customized below and override the respective base theme properties. So button color, oh yeah, I can change that. There we go, enter. And that's my brand color. There we go. And I mean, it's pretty darn close to the other blue, but now it's truly my blue. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna hit save and close. All right, well, that was one of my questions, is how customizable was it? That was pretty nice. And now let's go to the top. Let's see. One's up for Gmail. I'm not going to publish yet. I need to actually get this set up. So how do I do that? How about we go to setup, schedule once. So there's two things here. They have schedule once set up and chat once set up, which I think is interesting. I also saw that there's a way, like if I'm on the conversation or on a call with somebody and they want to schedule, I can do the scheduling on their behalf, or I can send them a link for them to schedule, according to how they want to do it. So it's kind of nice. Booking pages, no image. Oh, clicked on that. There we go. Share and publish. So I can add an image here if I want to. Say add my brand logo, confirm, see if how that looks. Now this is I happen to click on a favicon. It looks like it's big enough. Sometimes they're too small. So there we go. Chief Joy Officer. Hey, look at that default. And please follow the instructions to schedule time with me. It's fast and easy. Thank you. But I can edit that. I'm not going to at the moment. Put in my business number and email, website. And it even allows me to put in Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook. So I will add those later. Tags. Tags enable customers to filter booking pages when grouped under a master page. Enables customers to filter booking pages. Okay, that sounds like something I don't need to worry about right now, but okay, noted. So saving. So design, logo, and branding are all set by the theme, light system theme. So change or edit here, which we've kind of already touched on. So setting up schedule. Okay, so there's my icon showing. I like that. 3 different types. Now I'm going to, I don't know, I'm kind of winging this, right? Edit. Okay, good. Icon showed up, share and publish. So here, if I wanted to use this link, now on my web pages in buttons, book with me. This is a link that I could put into a button on my website. That would be allowing them to choose their own appointment with me. Right now I have 3 event types that I haven't edited yet, which I will. Add, remove event types, and some basic information here. Event types, let's go to that. So 15-minute meeting. Now I'm interested to see if I can, I'm going to edit this. So duration, price, no price, automatic booking category, offered through one master page, sales team page, provided by one user, just me, associated with one booking page, that's it. So if I wanted to edit anything here, I could. So if I want to edit 15-minute, says event duration, 15 minutes would be good. Start times could be on the 15 minutes throughout the throughout each hour available. Time slot spacing. This is important, I think. Time slot starting times must be at least 15 minutes apart. Like, you ever had those meetings where you're like, oh, this is so good, I can't quite go. You want to let them know you got to go, but you got no, you're just booking back to back to back. Even a little bit of time to get up from your sitting position for once in a while, grab a glass of water, or make notes about the conversation that you just had. I think it's really important. How much time? Here you can obviously select a lot of options. You can go all the way to 5 hours between appointments if you wish. That would be a little excessive for a 15-minute meeting. But I think 15 minutes between 15-minute meetings makes sense. At least the next meeting would have some freedom and flexibility in there. Workload rules, buffer before or after a meeting. Add a between scheduling one's bookings and busy time to account for preparation time, cleanup, rest, travel time, etc. Number of bookings per day at the moment says unlimited. I will actually limit that because I will otherwise can find myself in crazy numbers of meetings. And number of bookings per week, I'm not going, well, I guess that would likewise be limited to 20, which would be crazy. Time frame is before the event, no surprises, please provide a lead time of at least. Okay, so this is about, can somebody schedule same day? No. Generally I don't want people scheduling same day, but it does allow me to choose anything from 56 days in advance as a minimum to 0 minutes in advance, like they could book and I could be on the meeting. I think there's probably a happy medium in there. If I do 12 hours, let's think through that. So at 6 p.m., I could have somebody scheduling for as early as 6 a.m. the next day, except I'm not available until 9 a.m. So, but at 9 p.m., somebody could be scheduling on my calendar at 9 a.m. the next day. Generally, that works fine. The other option would be to go to a whole day. Now, even if it's 9 o'clock in the morning, somebody, well, either way, I guess, nobody could book with me really the same day. If I go to 6-hour lead time, though that could leave me in the position of thinking I have nothing going at 4, but at 10 a.m. somebody books, and now I do have plans at 4. So it's just a matter of if I want to live that way, I don't. At the same time, at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, do I want to make myself available the next morning at 9 a.m.? Yes. So I'll go with 12 hours. That's how I talk myself through that. You do you. Into the future, don't let the bookings drift away. Do not offer time slots more than 18 months into the future. Heck no, let's go 3 weeks. Like, yeah, wow, 18 months. Don't schedule more than 18 months in the future. Yeah, nope. Only display the first, and here we go. Actually, I like this option. Instead of saying they have 3 weeks to schedule, only display the first 4 days with available time slots. Generally, when I want to meet with people, I do want to meet with them. So I'm going to say 6 days. That'll get them into the next week. Actually, 7 is a favorite number, so we'll do 7. 7 days with available time slots. So generally, they're going to get booked within the week or so. And then time zone conversion is on, recommended. Wonder why. So prompt customers to confirm their auto detected time zones, only display times during the customer's local working hours or off. I'm going to leave it on. What if I do this? Okay. I like that because things can happen and time zones can shift. Arizona, I'm speaking to you. In fact, I work with a virtual assistant and we found out that, our time zone shifted when we went to daylight savings time recently. Now we're 13 hours apart instead of 14 hours apart. Number of slots offered per day. Don't offer too many options. Display no more than all time slots per day. So again, it's saying I can offer up to 16 time slots per day. At this moment, I'll leave that. I'm not sure. I'm going to hit save. And now I've set up my 15-minute meetings. Okay, so up here it says event type 15-minute meeting. So I'm in a networking group called BNI, and we do these things called BNI one-to-one. So there was a space, so I thought, I'll copy it, see if I can make that work. It does not. So what is this little introduction to time slot settings? Cool video I could have been following. Not going to, but that's nice to know. Time slot display. Oh, please tell me there's little videos all the way through. Anyway, good opportunity. Time slot settings video. So great. You know what? I'm going to end this video at this point. At this point, I'm pretty happy with what I see, the flexibility for this. Obviously, I have to get my calendar attached. I will do that and get this started to be used. I feel fairly confident in saying I like it so far and that I will be using this. So again, I'll put the link once I have a referral link below this video. And as I continue playing around with this, I may do some more recording as I set this up. So, but based on the fact that there's so much support articles and so forth, I think this looks like something that anybody could set up if they can follow directions. So there we go. Oh, here. Yeah, share a booking link, publish on your website. Lots of bells and whistles. Here's my icon, apparently. I can change my profile settings here. Okay, I will stop. Thanks for watching. I think this will be an interesting platform to use. Like I said, it's come highly recommended and referred. So let's move forth and conquer. There we go. And again, my name is Leanne Lyon. This is Joyminder Consulting, and I'd love to help businesses thrive and have more joy in doing what they do by having the trusted tools and curated coaches that will help you get where you want to go further and faster with more joy in your business. Take care.